Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about selfishness. According to me, a person who sees only his own profit without others' realization. Such person is not trustworthy in any matter. He can never give any advantage to any other person. Avoid like these selfish people. Life according to me.